Here are the tools we'll need for today. I've got a 7/8 wrench, an 11/16 wrench, a 5/8 wrench, an adjustable crescent wrench, and a 5/32 Allen key. All right, we'll need to use this adapter plate when attaching our CF142 to our benchtop skid. To do that, we're going to start by removing these fittings on the bottom with our 5/8 and our 11/16 wrench. Now let's get to our base plate here. Slide the cell and that top clamping plate out. Set that to the side. From here, we're going to take our base plate, our adapter plate, and a couple 1/4 flathead screws that come in your fastener kit. You're going to thread those through to attach them together. And this is where your Allen key comes in. And we're going to slide our cells and our top plate back on. Place the nuts. We can reconnect our inlet and our outlet elbows. Your CF142 connection kit comes with 2 sections of 3/8 stainless steel hose. We'll flip our cell over and insert the tube end of each of our hoses into the fittings. And make sure these nuts are hand tight. And then we're going to set the ferrules in each of these fittings using a 5/8 wrench to hold the elbow in place and an 11/16 to give that top nut a 1 1/4 turn to set the ferrule. Now carefully place your CF142 assembly onto your skid top. We're going to line up the mounting holes here on the sides of our cell. And using the included 1/4 screws and a 5/32 Allen key, let's secure this to the skid top. Next, place our 2 1/2" to 3/8 reducing fittings into the inlet and the outlet on the back of our skid top. Then using a 15/16 wrench, we're going to hold the bulkhead in place. And we're going to swage these ferrules inside these 1/2" nuts by giving it a 1 1/4 turn with our 7/8 wrench. We should do that to both fittings. From there, we can install the other end of our tube into the reducer fitting. Then we're going to hold that reducer in place with a 5/8 wrench. And same process, we're going to swage these 3/8 nuts by giving it a 1 1/4 turn with an 11/16 wrench. 1 1/4 turn. Next, don't forget to route your permeate line. Here I've cut a section of 1/4" polypropylene tubing with my tube cutter. These 2 fittings will install the tube by inserting it into the fitting and then tightening it by hand. And then route this tube to any sort of collection device. Here I'm using a beaker on our scale.